At around 2:50 a.m. on May 12, 2025, Officers Zachary Guido and Trevor Thomas of the Hoboken Police Department were dispatched to the area of 14th Street and Sinatra Drive following a report of a loud group drinking and throwing bottles before getting into a car. Police spotted a white 2009 Chevrolet Impala, matching the description, pulling into a parking lot on the 1400 block of Newark Avenue and stopped the vehicle at the Speedway gas station on 1401 Willow Avenue. The driver was identified as 23-year-old Destiney Mathis.
Okay, well, do you have your license registration?
Yeah, I have all that.
And can you just roll down the back window for me?
No problem.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Okay, wait, here's my registration. And you got a call that we was making noise
Yeah,
at the pier?
smashing bottles, and I'm gonna let you know I do smell an odor of an alcoholic beverage, so.
One second, I just gotta go through the paperwork for the insurance.
Yeah, that's fine. Go. Oh, I received that. Yep, that's friendly. No, I just said that's friendly. So be honest with me, because I smell it. How much did you guys drink?
Well, I'm the driver. I haven't drank anything.
You haven't drank anything? Okay. Alright, can you do me a favor? Just step out of the vehicle. I just want to make sure you're alright to drive, because I'm smelling an alcohol just really potent. Just come over here for me. Hold this. Alright, so you said you weren't drinking, but friends were?
Yeah. Well, not like with me or anything like that, but I'm just letting you know that I'm the driver and that I haven't had anything to drink.
Okay.
So if you need me to do like a straight line walk or anything like that, I'm okay to do that. I can do that.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna perform tests on you just to make sure everything's okay. It's just I noticed a very strong odor, and considering.
No, I understand that. I just wanted to let you know, so that you know that being as though that I'm the driver, I wasn't drinking.
Okay. All right. Just do me a favor. Come over here.
Yes, no problem.
All right. Face me. Face me. Over here.
Oh, I just wanted to make sure the line was straight because I know how this goes.
We're not gonna do
Yeah,
that
my
test
brother
right
had
yet.
a little situation like this before, so I just want to make sure everything is on the right path because it was like a little complications with him and stuff like that.
Okay.
No
All right.
problem.
So just do me a favor. Put your feet together. Hands at your side. All right. Do you wear any glasses, contacts?
Yes, I do.
Okay. You have them in?
I have my contacts in, but I had them in for about a couple of days. I had a lot of makeup on and stuff like that, but other than that, I'm okay.
So you have contacts in right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me just type this because it's a little tight.
Yep. Okay, do you have any medical conditions, any problems with your head, back, hips, knees, legs?
Besides like the respiratory infection, that's about it.
Okay. And you take any medication for that?
Not at the moment, no.
Okay. And you don't take any other meds? Okay. And you don't have any problems, hips, back, leg, knees? that would prevent you from
I
walking?
had an accident in a car accident with a back, and I
Okay.
had to have like back medication.
You still on that?
No, not
How
at the
long ago
moment.
was the back injury?
About a year ago.
Okay. But you're able to walk, obviously?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just a little cold out here. I'm anemic, but besides that, other than that, yeah.
Okay. Just do me a favor. Can you see the tip of my finger?
Yes, I can.
I
Your
want you-
fingernail, correct?
Tip of my finger.
Yes.
I want you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Follow it.
I'm sorry, it's just a little cold. I'm anemic.
All right.
It's pretty cold out here. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm
I get that.
anemic.
Are your shoes comfortable? You comfortable to walk in those?
I mean, my feet are a little like slippery.
Little what?
Slippery?
Slippery? Okay.
It's a little cold out here.
All right, but are you comfortable to walk in them?
I should be, yeah.
All right. Like I said before, and I asked before, do you have any problems with your hip, backs, legs, knees, anything? That prevent you
I
from
never
walking?
understood that. The only thing that I said was that, like,
Okay, I just want to
for me,
double
my
check.
feet are a little slippery and my shoes, that's about it. But other than that, I'm just cold.
Okay. All right. Would you agree that this area is flat, clear of debris?
I would agree that this area is not flat because if you look at this surface right here, it goes in.
Okay, so where would you like to perform the test where it would be flat, clear of debris?
Would this line work? It's cold.
It looks like there's more cracks, but if you want,
Wait, you mean like walking across the line, like this line right here, correct?
yeah, we're gonna be
Like
walking
this
on
line. I
line.
mean, it wouldn't make no
Okay, we'll
difference.
do this line.
Yeah, it wouldn't make any difference.
Okay.
The line would make difference. Like, you just asked me, did it?
All right, yeah, okay. All right, for this test, I want you to put your left foot on the line. Okay, I want you to put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Keep your hands at your side.
Okay, but can you understand? I do have slides on.
Well, that's why I asked. Are you comfortable?
No, I'm comfortable. I'm just saying, can you understand? Because like the back of my slide, it might go into my slide, my other slide here,
Okay, so do you want to take them off?
and walk barefoot.
I mean, whatever you're comfortable doing.
Let me see. I don't really. Like, this is then it's cold out here.
Okay. I want you to put your. I didn't tell you to begin anything.
No, I just wanted to make sure that
Okay.
the instructions that you.
All right.
It wasn't nothing against
All right.
you. 'Cause
Left
I know
foot.
I'm cold, and I know it's just cracks.
Okay.
So my feet, it's like you feel me.
Okay. I want you to put your left foot on the line. I want you to put your right foot in front of your left foot.
This rocks. Maybe I should put my shoes on. There's rocks out here. Oh my God, I wish I wasn't cold.
All right. I want you to put your left foot on the line.
Okay.
Right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Keep your hands at your side. Remain in this position until I tell you to begin the test. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay. For this test, you're going to take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting out loud, walking on the straight line. Okay? The steps are to be performed as such. 1.
And I don't have any type of time limit or anything like that, right? It's cool.
Let me just explain the test, okay? I know you're cold. It's cold outside,
Yeah,
but you got it.
I'm a real name. I know you see how small I am.
All right. Left foot on the line, right foot in front of your left foot. Remain in the position, like I told you.
I know, but you said the left.
No. I'm explaining.
Okay.
Okay? Right? You're going to take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting out loud, hands at your side. Steps are to be performed as such. 1, 2, 3, and so forth until you get to your 9th step. Once you are at your 9th step, you're going to leave your lead foot on the ground. Take a series of several small steps with your other foot to turn around and proceed back with 9 additional heel-to-toe steps, counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, and so forth until you get to your 9th step. Okay? You understand thus far?
I'm just counting till 9 to my next step, and then I'm turning around and I'm taking 9 more, correct?
You understand thus far? Yes.
Cool.
Okay. While you're performing the test, keep your hands at your side, count out loud, touch heel to toe. Make sure you do not stop walking until the test is complete. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay.
So,
You may begin. Do you have a question?
yes, I do.
Okay.
Am I starting in this position, or am I starting in the position that you asked, left or right?
It's the position that I told you to stay in.
Okay.
You may begin.
2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, I'm stepping on my slide. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm sorry, but I have another question. Am I turning left or right? I don't want to do anything wrong.
Okay.
I'm left-handed, so
Okay.
I'm not sure which way to turn for you.
Okay, ma'am. I explained the instructions.
I know, but you said to turn around, but you never said which way.
Perform the test as I explained it to you.
Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm sorry if I caused you any complications. I just want to make sure that I'm doing everything correct and I'm comprehending.
Mm-hmm. All right. The final test is going to be a 1-leg stand test, okay? So I want you to face me. Get off the crack. I want you to face me. Keep your feet together, hands at your side, okay? For this test, you're going to raise either leg of your choosing approximately 6 inches off the ground as such.
How far? That's 6 inches?
6 inches, parallel to the ground.
I'm just asking what 6 inches.
Approximately 6 inches.
So would this work?
Do you believe that's 6 inches?
I mean, I'm not
Okay.
really sure.
All right. Well, you can put your foot down. All right. So what you're going to do.
I'm kind of scared. Sorry.
All right. Well, just let me explain. I know it's nerve-wracking. Relax.
Yes, and I'm cold.
All right. Keep your hands at your side, feet together. Lift either leg approximately 6 inches off of the ground, parallel to the ground as such. While your leg is lifted off the ground, keeping your hands at your side, and you're going to be looking at your foot, counting out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until I tell you to stop. Thus far, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. While you're performing this test, keep your legs straight. Keep your foot parallel to the ground. Look at your foot. Count out loud. And do not stop until the test is completed and I tell you the test is complete, okay? You understand? All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. You may begin. Okay, lift your foot, keep going. All right, stop.
I failed. I tried. It's cold out here. I'm sorry. Wish I had a breathalyzer or something. It's cold. I'm anemic. I'm a bad anemic. I'm only 98 pounds. I'm sorry. But I'm shaking. It's cold.
All right, ma'am. Considering the totality of everything, I do believe you're impaired.
You do?
Yes.
What?
I believe you're impaired based on the totality of everything. So you're going to be placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay?
Even though I'm not intoxicated?
You failed the test.
But I'm anemic. Wait, I'm intoxicated because
I feel that
I
you're
was
impaired.
shaking because I'm only 98 pounds and I'm shaking because it's cold out here. I have on a dress, and that's why you think I'm intoxicated?
Ma'am, I smell a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage.
On me.
I'm smelling it right now. And we are away from the car, far away from the car.
And you're smelling it on me. All right, this is crazy. I wasn't drunk, high, or anything for you to say I'm intoxicated. I didn't swerve, haven't done anything to show I'm intoxicated. If anything, I showed I'm anemic. I'm less than 100 pounds. I'm cold. I'm not drunk. I'm not high. Like, I work with children. I get background tested, fingerprinted. Like, I don't do none of that for you to say I'm impaired. That's going to mess with my career, mess with my job. Yo, this is crazy.
You just lift your arms up.
Oh my God. I walked in a straight line without any problem. I tried to make sure everything was right so that I wasn't doing anything wrong. I tried to make sure I understood exactly what you were saying. I don't understand how you could think that I was even drunk, high, or anything, under impaired or anything. No, they're fine. And I've said multiple times that I'm anemic. Like, so I'm not even understanding. I walked in a straight line without any problems. I've been through this before. Impaired?
Okay, ma'am, you didn't follow the directions as I explained them to you. I told you to keep walking, do not stop walking.
You
stopped
told me
walking.
to walk 9 and then turn around. And I asked you which way exactly to turn around because I'm left-handed. So I do things differently than others.
Okay.
That's what I asked you.
Okay. Go ahead. One female, 10-5. Yep.
Saya, make sure you get my stuff out that car.
We need to do
It's 112222. Come
there
on,
was a
mother.
female officer searching. At the headquarters, yeah.
Yeah.
I know that. Hold on. I'll be talking too much money. That's a different.
19. Ending mileage 9516.6. Going this way. This way. Sit down for the time being. We're gonna have a female officer search you, okay?
I feel what?
A female officer search you.
Can we cuff her to the bench?
Yeah. Do me a favor, stand up. Move closer to the wall. Which hand do you want cuffed to the bench?
I don't care, no matter.
Turn around. That one, yep. Sit down.
Female is cuffed to the bench.
Based on signs of intoxication and her failure to complete the field sobriety tests, Destiney Mathis was arrested for driving under the influence. A search of her vehicle revealed an open bottle of tequila. Her car was impounded for 12 hours under John's law, and she was transported to the Hoboken Police Department. At the station, Destiney was read the standard motorist statement, but refused to provide a breath sample. After processing, she was released to a sober adult who signed a potential liability warning form on her behalf. Destiney was charged with the following offenses: driving under the influence, reckless driving, refusal to submit breath samples, refusal to undergo chemical testing, possession of an open alcohol container in a vehicle. What do you think about this incident? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support us and stay updated with our latest videos. This is Bodycam Chronicles. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next incidents.